Hi everyone, today I will show you 22 syllables of English by Jota. Okay, let's start. E, please, speak, English, with, me, please speak English with me, E, difficult, is, not, difficult, to, speak, English, it's not difficult to speak English, everything, is ready, everything is ready, practice, makes, perfect, practice make perfect, wonderful, my mother is a wonderful teacher. My mother is a wonderful teacher. Perfect. He speaks perfect English. He speaks perfect English. Remember to call your mother. Remember to call your mother. Together. America and Vietnam should always work together. America and Vietnam should always work together. Bother. Sorry. To bother. You. Sorry to bother you. Our. Charming. You have a charming smile. You have a charming smile. Always say please and thank you. Always say please and thank you. Or important is important to practice English every day. It's important to practice English every day. Oh, should. You should work harder. You should work harder. A mistake, mistake. Don't be afraid, afraid. Making mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Don't be afraid of making mistake. Ooh, food. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? I time is this your first time in Vietnam. Is it your first time in Vietnam? Is it your first time in Vietnam? I really enjoy talking to you. I really enjoy talking to you. I really enjoy talking to you. Oh, hope. I hope to see you again. I hope to see you again. Outstanding. You're outstanding. Ear, clear. Is very important to have clear. Pronunciation. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. Air, care. We should all care about the environment. You should all care about the environment. We should all care about the environment. Or sure. I'm you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.